and belonging to nation-level economy development zone. Autopipe is one high-tech enterprise with advanced equipment, strong R&D ability. Autopipe specializes in motor intake, cooling, and exhaust system. Our racing parts involving two intake pipe, intercooler pipe kits, catback system, exhaust pipe, exhaust turbo manifold, exhaust header, downpipe, and mandrel bends with different OD and CLR. Autopipe invested 38 CNC bending machines, 3D laser cutting machine, Mitsubishi laser cutting machine, OTC robot arms, 3D scanner and printer, more than 100 sets of other equipment, such as pipe forming, press and shearing machine. Autopipe has strong capacity to make 160 millimeters of OD. Small CLR, even R equals OD, 0.75 D mandrel bend. Our quality racing parts of titanium alloy, stainless, aluminum exported to more than 100 countries overseas, and won great reputation for good after-sales service, strict quality control, and super R&D. Our endless pursuit is to produce perfect racing parts for our customers. Our company actively participates in the R&D of new products, cooperates with different customers in the R&D, design, and manufacturing of new auto parts, and continue to provide professional